Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to unattach the stand from your PS5, both vertically and horizontally. First, let's start with the vertical stand. If your PS5 is standing vertically, make sure to turn it off and unplug it for safety. Locate the screw on the bottom of the stand and gently turn it counterclockwise using a flathead screwdriver or a coin to loosen it. Once it is loose, remove it completely. After that, gently pull the stand away from the bottom of the PS5. Now for the horizontal stand, ensure your PS5 is on a flat surface. Gently grasp the stand and lift it away from the console, feeling it unhook from the pattern on the PS5. Once detached, you can store the stand in a safe place for future use. And that's it. You have successfully unattached the stand from your PS5 both vertically and horizontally. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel and will help me making more videos like this.